I was sent this pack of disposable nitrile examination gloves and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video, so here goes. What you get is 100 of these gloves. They come in many sizes. These are XLs, but they have them from extra small all the way to extra large. Can be used in a variety of needs. Could be from a medical background, could be for cleaning, working with chemicals, any other kind of scenario where you need to have protection for your hands that's safe in a powder-free nitrile-based glove. These are easy to dispense. They've got a little hole here where you can pop them out. You can take them out of the side like I just did there. They're easy to put on. Like I said, these are powder-free, yet they go on very easily like this. And I'll go ahead and put on another. There you go. Very comfortable, easy to use. If you size them properly for what your size hand is, you're going to be able to manipulate and do all kinds of activities that are required with your hands without any loss of sensation or any loss of tactileness that you might need in order to do that. So whatever job you're doing and you need to protect your hands, then this is the kind of glove you need. These are at a great price point. You get 100 in a pack, and it comes with an easy to dispense box here. So these are definitely some that you should consider as far as nitrile gloves are concerned. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope the information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.